Do a green one.
Do a green one?
Whoa.
Green.
Green?
Ready?
That's right.
Ready? You hold on. Okay, help mommy. Drop it in. There we go. Nice work. Nice work. Okay.
What yellow?
Yellow. You say yellow. Put it on your
Hey, Rome. You say yellow? Nope, I'm concentrating.
Nice job, buddy. Pink. Pink. Alrighty. It's always really light. And orange. There you go. Yay! You want to color on one? Watch this. Now I kind of need to like dry it a little bit.